Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise our chapter number 3, that is Work Around Me. In Work Around Me, our first topic or first word which we are going to learn is occupation. So what is an occupation? Any work which is done to earn money is known as your occupation. Like people are having different occupation, like you are having doctors, you are having engineers, then you are having potters. These all people work to earn money. So what is occupation? Any work done to earn money is called as the occupation. Now we are coming on some people who work to make things. There are some people who make different things. So we are going to learn about some of them. The first one is a shoemaker. By the name itself we know who is a shoemaker. Shoemaker is a person who makes and repairs shoes. Second one is engineer. We all know who is the engineer. Engineer is a person who designs bridges, roads and building. We might have seen engineers, what they are doing. They are designing the bridges, roads and building. Then we are having the next one, that is a baker. We all know what does a baker do. Baker bakes breads and cakes. Then we are having tailor. So what does a tailor do? Tailor is stitching the clothes, like tailor is stitching shirts, pants, kurta, pajamas, then uniforms. So what they are doing with the dress material, they are making some dresses. Then the last one is goldsmith. So who is a goldsmith? Goldsmith is a person who make the gold ornaments, like you are having gold ring, gold earring, then necklaces. These all things are made by the goldsmith. So some of the, I am repeating it again, some of the people who work to make things. The first one is shoemaker who makes shoes. Then you are having engineers who design bridges, roads and buildings. Then you are having bakers. The baker bakes bread and cakes. Then you are having tailor. What does a tailor do? Tailor stitches clothes and make the different type of dresses. Then you are having your goldsmith. The goldsmith, what goldsmith is doing? Goldsmith is making ornament of gold. Now we are having some other peoples in this category. So after your goldsmith you are having one more category, that is your potters. So who are the potters? Potters are the people who make earthen pots. Who makes earthen pots. They are making earthen pots and they are making diyas, etc. So here is the potter. We all might have seen potters. What potters are doing? They are using mud to make diyas and different types of pots. Then there is a mason. So who are masons? They build house. You might have seen that wherever the construction work is going on. Okay, so the people who make the house are called as the masons. The first one is the potter who make earthen pots and diyas. Then the next one is mason. Mason build houses. Then you are having the next one, that is weaver. So weavers, what does the weavers do? That is they weave clothes. What they are doing? They are weaving clothes. Then you are having the next one is as the farmer. So what does the farmer do? Farmer grow crops. So when we are seeing here, see the potter is making earthen pots and diyas. Then mason, what mason is doing? The mason builds house. Weavers, what does a weaver do? Weaver does weaves cloth. So what is the meaning of weave cloth? That means we will say it in Hindi ki kapde bunna. Okay, so it is weaving of cloth. And then we are having farmer. farmer, so farmer grows crop. So these were some of the occupation. What they are doing, they are making something for us, okay, some useful things for us. So we have learned about our we have learned about engineers, we have learned about shoemakers, bakers, tailors, goldsmiths, potters, masons, weaver and farmer. So this all were the people who make some things. In such most of the occupation, when you are seeing, the people does not require adequate educational qualification, that means except engineering. In engineering, we require a higher qualification of engineering, but the people like tailor, potter, then masons, weavers or farmers, no such qualification, no such educational qualification is required. So, in most of this work, they require the minimum education qualification. Now, but if they are not requiring the educational qualification, but they require specialized training. Like if a potter is not having a training in making pot, can the potter make the pot? No. In the same way, if the mason do not know how to build a house, can the mason build a house? No. So these all categories required a special training to make the things. Now we are going on this another topic, that is some people sell things. So when we are coming here, that is some people sell things. Some people sell things. So when we are talking here, some people sell things. The first one which we are writing is your grocers. We all know who are grocers. Grocers are the people who sell pulses, food grain and spices. So what we write here? Sells pulses, food grain and your spices. So who sell this? The grocers sell pulses, food grain like your wheat and rice, and then your spices. So this is sold by the grocer. The next one is your greengrocer. Greengrocers. So who are the greengrocers? The greengrocers are the people who sells your vegetables and fruits. So what they are doing? They are sells vegetables and fruits. Then we are having the next one is a florist. By the name you can understand who is a florist. Florist is a person who sells flower. Who sells flower. Then we are having stationers. Students might know who are the stationers. When you need your books or pencils or notebook, where does you go? You go on a stationery shop where stationers sell you the things. So your stationer sells what they are selling. They sells books, then notebooks, sells books, notebooks, pencils, etc. So it would be your pencils, pens, erasers, sketch pens. So these all things are sold by the stationer. And then we are talking about a draper. Draper. So who is a draper? Drapers sells clothes. What they are selling? The draper is selling clothes. And then we are talking about the last one is the chemist. Let me remind you here again. Grocer sells pulses, food grains and spices. Then greengrocer sells vegetables and fruit. Then you are having florist. The florist sells flower. Okay, that florist is also making bouquets of flower and selling the flowers. Then you are having stationers. Stationers sells books, notebook, pencil, pen, eraser. So all this thing is being provided by the stationer. Then you are having draper. Draper, what draper is doing? Draper is selling clothes. Then we are having the last one, which is the important one. We all know who is this. The next one is your chemist. So what does a chemist do? Chemist. Okay. So can anyone guess what does a chemist do? Whenever you need a medicine, okay, you go to a medical shop. So can everyone sit on the medical shop and sell the medicines? No. Only the person who is having the qualification can sell the medicines. So the person who sells medicines. Okay, so the person who sells medicine is called as your chemist. So now I am revising it again. Grocer. Grocer sells your food grain, pulses and spices. Then you were having after grocers, green grocers. Green grocers sell fruits and vegetables. Then you are having florist. Florist sell flowers. Then you are having stationers. Stationers sell books, notebooks, pencil, pens, etc. Drapers. Drapers sell clothes. And the last one is the chemist. Chemist sell medicines. So these were the different category of the people who are selling different things to us. Now we are going to study about some people, what they are doing. First we have learned about the people who make things. Then we have studied about the people who sell things. Now we are going to study about the people who repair things. Repair things. So the people who repair things. The first one is your cobbler. We all know about the cobbler? Yes. So first one is your cobbler. So what does a cobbler do? The cobbler repairs shoes and sandals. So what cobbler is doing? The cobbler repairs your shoes, then your sandals. Whenever your shoes or sandals break, what does you do? You go to a cobbler and cobbler mends your shoes and sandals. Then we are having mechanics. Mechanics. So what does a mechanics does? It repairs, mechanics repairs vehicles. Okay, so if your vehicle is not working properly, to whom you will go? You will go to a mechanic and mechanic will repair your vehicles. Then we are having the next one as plumber. So who is this plumber? Plumber is a person who repairs your taps and pipes. If there is any kind of leakage, water leakage in your home, to whom does you call? You call a mechanic or a cobbler? No, you call a plumber. So here it is, it repairs taps and pipes. Then you are having electrician. Electrician. So what does an electrician do? Can you tell? Electrician repairs electrical things or electrical appliances. Okay. Like for example, if your TV is not working properly, what you will do? You will go to an electrician with your TV. So what they will do? They will repair your television. So here they repair your, example, they are repairing your television set. Repair your television set or your TV sets. So in this way there are different people who repair different things. Cobbler repairs shoes and sandals, mechanic repairs your vehicles, plumber repairs your taps and pipes, An electrician, what does the electrician do? Electrician repair your electrical appliances, like I have given the example of TV set. So this all were the people who are repairing the things. Then we are coming on the next category, that is some people entertain us. Now we are having the next category, that is some people entertain us. So here, some people entertain us. We all are watching television. So what is the use of television? The television is entertaining us. So when we are seeing different films or your TV serials or shows, who are there? There are different parts of the people who are helping us to entertain. The first one is your comedian. We all know who is a comedian. Comedian is a person who makes us laugh. Okay, so whenever a comedian is there, what that comedian is doing? That comedian is making you laugh. Then you are having the second one is a writer. If writer is not there, we can't make any kind of shows, because all the story is being written by the writer. So what writer is doing? The writer is writing your articles and stories. What they are doing? They are writing articles and stories. Then you are having a dancer. We all know what does a dancer do? They perform dance. They entertain us by performing dance. Now the next one is musician. Musicians, what does the musicians do? There is a difference between a singer and a musician. Musician composes the music. That means they are setting the music on which a singer sings. So here they are composing music. Composing music. Then you are having the next category as singer. Now in singer, it is the person who sings songs. So how this person is entertaining us? By singing songs. And then we are having a actor. Then we are having the another category, which is your actor. Let me just remind you again. The actor, we all know, you all are having your favorite actors. So in actors, when we are talking, what they are doing? They are acting. They are acting different characters and entertaining us. So we will say that they are acting. So what they are acting? They are acting according to the character given to them. So in entertainer, the first one which we have learned is comedian. Comedian makes us laugh. Writer writes stories and articles. Dancer entertain us by performing dances. Musician, what they are doing? They are composing music. Singers, they are singing the melodious song for us to entertain us. And then we are having actor. So what does an actor do? The actor act the different characters.